If you think compact means weak, think again. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best Pioneer self-amplified underseat subwoofers that pack serious bass in a small space. From futuristic tech to deep punchy lows that'll shake your soul, these mini monsters redefine what in-car audio should feel like. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, or even an EV, there's a bass beast here for you. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till number 1. It's a game changer. Number 5. Pioneer TSWX010A, the compact underseat subwoofer that's shaking up in-car audio. In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about this little beast: specs, performance, installation, and why it might be the perfect upgrade for your ride. First off, design. The TSWX010A features a sleek trapezium shape that's made to fit perfectly in tight spaces, especially the passenger foot space or under a seat. It blends seamlessly into your car's interior, staying out of sight while still packing serious power. Now let's talk power. Despite its compact frame, this sub punches out a maximum of 160 watts, powered by a built-in Class D amplifier. That means it delivers impactful, clean, and efficient bass, perfect for music lovers who want that low-end thump without distortion. And because it's a down-firing subwoofer, the bass is distributed evenly and effectively across your cabin, creating an immersive, full-body listening experience. Installation? Super easy. Pioneer gives you two-way mounting flexibility, whether you prefer horizontal underseat setup or vertical placement near the passenger footwell. It's designed to adapt to almost any car interior, including compact cars and EVs. Just connect the wires, mount the unit, and you're ready to roll. Here's where it gets even better. The BASSSOUNDCREATOR technology. This feature boosts the quality of your low frequencies, making your bass sound richer, deeper, and more natural without overpowering your mids and highs. Perfect for audiophiles who care about balanced sound, not just boom. If you're driving an electric vehicle or a small car, space and power efficiency are key, and that's exactly where the TSWX010A shines. Low power draw, small footprint, big sound. To sum it up, the Pioneer TSWX010A is smart, compact, powerful, and easy to install. Whether you're upgrading your factory sound or building a stealth audio setup, this subwoofer delivers serious value without the bulk. Highly recommended for those who want clean bass without compromise. Number 4. Pioneer TSWH500A, a compact subwoofer with a revolutionary design that redefines what's possible in car audio. Slim, smart, and seriously powerful. Let's dive into what makes this sub so special. At the heart of the TSWH500A is HVT, horizontal vertical transforming technology. Sounds fancy? It is. Instead of the traditional single diaphragm moving in and out, this system uses dual vertically moving diaphragms powered from both sides by a magnet and voice coil combo. The result? The same effective surface area as a conventional 8-inch sub, but in a much slimmer body. That means deeper bass without needing deep space. The entire enclosure is just 2 3/8 inches thick, making it perfect for tight spots like under seats or behind panels. But don't let the size fool you. This sub pushes out a maximum of 150 watts with a solid 50 watts RMS of clean, punchy bass. That's power and precision, all wrapped in a stealthy sealed design. What really sets the TSWH500A apart is its sound profile. You get tight, well-balanced bass without the rumble and distortion often found in traditional subs. And thanks to the reduced vibration and noise from the HVT setup, the bass feels more natural, not overwhelming, but refined. It's a full-bodied sound experience without shaking your entire ride. Installation? A breeze. Its low-profile build fits in a wide range of vehicles, and it comes ready to go with built-in amplification. No extra gear required. Whether you're upgrading a factory system or tightening up your custom build, it slips right in without a hassle. The Pioneer TSWH500A proves that size isn't everything. It's smart engineering that delivers real performance. Whether you're tight on space or just want clean, controlled bass that doesn't shake your dashboard loose, this subwoofer hits the sweet spot. Want premium sound in a compact package? Number 3. Pioneer TSWX400DA, a compact subwoofer that punches well above its size. With customizable bass modes and a built-in Class D amplifier, this little unit brings serious audio muscle to even the smallest spaces. Let's break down what makes it special. Don't let the size fool you. The TSWX 400DA packs a Class D amplifier capable of pushing out 250 watts of max power and 100 watts nominal. Whether you're listening to mellow jazz or heart-pounding EDM, this sub delivers bass that's deep, clean, and responsive. And thanks to its efficient Class D tech, it runs cool and uses less power. No massive heat sink needed. Want more control over your sound? The TSWX 400DA comes with selectable bass modes, deep and dynamic. Flip to deep for rich, smooth low end that fills the car without overwhelming it. Switch to dynamic when you want that extra punch. Perfect for bass-heavy tracks or high-energy drives. It's like having two subs in one. The TSWX 400DA is all about smart design. At just 9 inches by 5.5 inches, it's small enough to fit under seats, behind panels, or anywhere tight. Installation is a breeze, and it includes a wired remote so you can adjust the bass level and mode on the fly. No tools or head unit fiddling required. This sub is perfect for commuters, daily drivers, and audio lovers who want better sound without going full custom. Whether you're in a compact car, an SUV, or even a van, the TSWX 400DA delivers impressive bass performance without stealing your trunk space. The Pioneer TSWX 400DA proves you don't need a giant box to get giant sound. With its smart features, compact form, and real bass performance, it's one of the most convenient ways to upgrade your car audio. If you're all about space saving and sound boosting, this subwoofer checks every box. Number 2. Pioneer TSWX 140DA, a sleek, ultra-compact subwoofer packed with tech, power, and sound precision that transforms your daily drive into a concert on wheels. Let's get into the details that make this bass beast a standout. The TSWX 140DA delivers up to 170 watts of raw bass power, driven by an ultra-efficient Class D amplifier. That means powerful output without draining your battery or heating up your cabin. It's compact, but it roars, engineered for tight spaces and tight punch. Perfect for clean, distortion-free bass that hits without overwhelming. This sub isn't just powerful, it's smartly built. The honeycomb structure gives the unit superior rigidity, reducing unwanted vibrations. Add in a urethane surround and an aramid fiber spider, and you get stability even at high excursion. Translation? Accurate, thumping bass that stays clean even when you crank it up. Want your sound your way? The built-in DSP chip offers 3 Pioneer tune modes: deep for rich low end, natural for balanced listening, and dynamic when you want that extra energy. One twist of the large precision knob, and you control how your bass feels. No tools, no head unit hassle. The curves aren't just for looks. They help disperse sound evenly, making your audio feel full and immersive. At just a few inches tall, it fits under seats, behind panels, or anywhere you need a stealthy setup. It's plug-and-play ready. Installation is a breeze even for first-timers. The Pioneer TSWX 140DA is proof that good things come in small, smart packages. With pro-level engineering, selectable sound modes, and a design that's as elegant as it is functional, it's built to give your car audio system a serious upgrade without taking over your space. If you're ready to feel your music without the bulk, this is the sub for you. Number 1. Pioneer TSWX 130DA is a compact underseat subwoofer that delivers deep, punchy bass without taking up space. It packs a 160-watt built-in Class D amplifier and an 8-inch by 5.25-inch aluminum cone, giving you tight, distortion-free low end, even at high volume. With 95 decibel sensitivity in deep mode and 100 decibels in dynamic mode, you get serious punch where it matters. 2 sound modes, deep for smooth lows and dynamic for hard-hitting beats, are easily controlled with the wired remote. Its slim design fits under most seats and integrates with both factory and aftermarket stereos, thanks to support for high and low-level inputs. The TSWX 130DA brings premium bass, smart features, and easy installation, all in a space-saving design. If you're after powerful sound in a compact form, this is the upgrade you've been looking for.